Ready to multiply your Monopoly Go fortunes by 5 with boosted community chest rewards? Let's dive straight in. First, make sure you're actively participating in the current in-game events and tournaments. These often offer increased community chest frequency and better rewards. Focus on landing on high-value properties and upgrading them to the maximum level hotels. This increases the likelihood of other players landing there and paying you rent, giving you more dice rolls and more chances to hit that community chest. Pay close attention to the milestone rewards in ongoing events. Many events directly reward you with community chest appearances or boosted community chest rewards. Make sure to complete all milestones. Invite new friends to the game. Many times, the game offers incentives for inviting new players, including more dice rolls, which again, increases your chances of landing on that chest. Join active Monopoly Go communities on platforms like Facebook or Discord. These groups frequently share strategies, coordinate trades, and sometimes even host giveaways that can indirectly boost your progress towards hitting community chest more often. Combine these strategies, consistently play and participate actively, and you will dramatically increase your chances of scoring those boosted community chest rewards in Monopoly Go. Good luck and happy rolling.